Today, we're exploring the journey of JoJo Siwa, the singer, dancer, and media mogul who first stole the spotlight on Dance Moms before building a billion-dollar empire with her signature bows and glitter. In recent years, JoJo has undergone a massive transformation, shedding her kid star image for a bold adult persona while becoming one of the most prominent young voices in the LGBTQ+ community. So, is JoJo Siwa gay? Let's find out. JoJo Siwa officially came out to the world in January 2021 through a series of social media posts, including a viral TikTok of her dancing to Lady Gaga's Born This Way and a photo of herself wearing a shirt that read, "Best Gay Cousin Ever." While she initially hesitated to use a specific label, noting she felt like human beings are awesome, she later clarified in an interview with People magazine that she usually refers to herself as gay or pansexual. Her announcement was a landmark moment for Nickelodeon stars and young fans, as she was the first major children's entertainer of her scale to come out while at the peak of her career. Since coming out, JoJo has been incredibly open about her romantic life. She was previously in a high-profile on-and-off relationship with Kylie Prue and later dated influencer Avery Cyrus. Through these public relationships, she has advocated for LGBTQ+ visibility, famously making history on Dancing with the Stars in late 2021 as part of the show's first-ever same-sex dancing duo. In 2024, she launched a rebranding era with her single Karma, embracing a more provocative, bad girl aesthetic that explicitly celebrates her queer identity through her music and visual art. Is JoJo Siwa gay? As of now, JoJo Siwa is openly gay and continues to be a vocal advocate for the LGBTQ+ community. In her personal life, she is currently residing in her $3.5 million mansion in Tarzana, California. While she has kept the specifics of her dating life more private over the last several months to focus on her music career, she confirmed in late 2025 that she is happily seeing someone but is taking things slowly to avoid the intense media pressure of her previous relationships. Professionally, JoJo is deep into the global tour for her 2025 album, Guilty Pleasure. The tour, which has traveled through North America and Europe, is known for its high-energy JoJo pop style and its inclusive atmosphere. Additionally, she remains a prominent figure on television, recently appearing as a judge on the 2025 season of So You Think You Can Dance. As she enters 2026, she is also expanding her JoJo Siwa Childhood Foundation, which focuses on supporting kids with cancer and promoting self-love among LGBTQ+ youth. JoJo Siwa is transformed from a bow-wearing child icon into an unapologetic adult artist who leads with her truth. While her new aesthetic has sparked plenty of online debate, she continues to prove that she is no longer interested in fitting into a neat little box, prioritizing her authenticity and her fans above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.